Very exciting day in the David & Charles office. We are unboxing our Gift of the Year awards, which we have just received, having won them for the Bouquet in a Book by Prudence Rogers and the team here at DNC. So really excited to receive this. We were category winners in affordable gift, which was wonderful, and we are the Judges' Choice Award winners. So we've received this wonderful box filled with lovely bits and pieces, I think. So we will have a quick look and see what we've got in here. Super exciting. Lots of paper, packaging. Oh my gosh, okay. So much packaging. Here's this. Yes! So this is our category award. This is Best Affordable Gift Product. Absolutely gorgeous. So, so lovely. So that's that one. That there. And then we've also got, oh my god, there's all kinds of things in here. Wow. This is the big one. Oh, some lovely invitation. Actually, I'll do that first. Oh my god, this is the invitation. Oh, sweet. This is the invitation from the Gift Awards ceremony, Gift of the Year Awards ceremony. Oh, how cute. And here is the finalists brochure, which we are featured in. I'm seeing actually how it looks like. So lovely. And then here is our final Judges' Choice Award, Gift of the Year 2025, the Bouquet in a Book, which you can see here. So this is a press out and make paper craft, paper flower bouquet. So all of this beautiful, beautiful paper bouquet comes from the pages of this book. When you untie the ribbon, and just have a quick flick through, you'll see there's some instructional content at the beginning. It's all incredibly simple. I am not a crafter. I love making these because it makes me feel so accomplished, because they are very, very easy to do, and you just press out the pieces, all the pieces, glue them together, and you make this absolutely stunning paper bouquet.